G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into the nice Ineos Grenadier or Grenadier, however you say it, I don't know. But it'll also fit the Quartermaster. So these fire extinguisher mounts are all made right here in Australia. They look great, they're powder coated, great for long wearing. And having a fire extinguisher installed in your car, really such a smart idea. For instance, if you're off-road and you get a bit of grass caught under the chassis and that gets lit alight because of the DPF or the hot exhaust, having a fire extinguisher to quickly put out your vehicle and to save it is a really smart thing to have. Also, just in case of camping, maybe there's a fat fire on your barbecue. Having a fire extinguisher is one of those things that you'd rather have and not need than need and not have. Today, I'm going to be installing this extinguisher here. This is a 1 kilo extinguisher that we can sell on our website. But as you can see, it has a metal band. Now these metal bands are critical. You have to use a metal caged extinguisher. You can get them from a lot of shops. AutoZone shops, Repco, Supercheap. A lot of these shops will have fire extinguishers. You just need to make sure you get one with a metal cage that'll fit onto our bracket. So today we're going to show you how we install it. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher mount is just a 13mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. The 8mm spanners are for the M5 nuts and bolts. And what you do, you simply remove these two factory bolts just here on both sides. Remove them, then install the cage of the extinguisher onto the bracket and bolt it all in. As you can see, this is where the bracket goes, just like that. Start by removing those two front bolts. I always install the fire extinguisher cage onto the bracket first, just so it makes it a lot easier. But before bolting on the cage, just find a spot where it will work. So here, I'm going to do it just there on that first slot. Put your washer on the back. Nut on. And same again up here. Then tighten them up with those 8mm spanners. Easy as that. Then place it in and put those factory bolts back in. Tighten them all up. After it's all been bolted in, then slip your extinguisher into its cage. Clip it up. Then this little safety pin goes in. And one thing I always try to do is, because these little tags can rattle and be a bit annoying, just get a little bit of electrical tape on there just to stop that rattling. But as you can see, it's all bolted in, looks great, and full seat movement is retained. Job done. Well, thank you so much for watching our little video. As you can see, it bolted all in so easy. It looks great, full seat movement is retained, and it takes a matter of moments to install with very simple tools. So pick up one of these for your car on the link below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.